Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to delete your Discord account. So when you open your Discord app, tap on the three lines at the top left corner, and then you will go on the main page. Now here, tap on the profile at the bottom right corner of your screen, and then from here, all you need to do is go and tap this account option. And from here, scroll down until you find this delete account. When you tap this one, a message shows up saying, in order to delete or disable your account, you must first transfer ownership of all servers that you own. So to do that, go back to the Discord logo right here at the bottom left corner. And from here, you want to choose the server that you want to transfer the ownership. So for example, this server right here. So all you need to do is tap on the three dots beside that server name and then go to settings. And from here, want to go here on these members. And if you tap this one, go to search box and find your member that you want to transfer your ownership on this server. Or you can also delete this server here. You want to go back and tap on overview and scroll down to the bottom and tap on delete server. Then tap on yes to confirm your action. Now, once you transfer ownership to all your servers or delete servers here, so go back again on your profile, tap on the profile at the bottom right corner, and from here again tap on account, and then scroll down, then tap this delete account. So to permanently delete your Discord account, you must retype your password right here. So that's how you basically remove your Discord account. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.